Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back with another video. This is Ali Haider and you are watching the Digitize studio. In this video I am going to share a quick update with you regarding this latest event which is organized by Sennar Solidworks User Group Network on their 3rd anniversary, and in that event they have announced to give free certifications to all the attendees. So before going further, I request you to please make sure to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you never miss any update from my channel, and also do share your experience of the event in the comment section below. The event was organized on June 1st, 2024, and the host of the event was Mohammad Almojtaba. And during that 1 hour meeting there was a Q&A session with the attendees as well, and at the end of the video Mohammad Almojtaba shared a Google form with us to fill our information and our interest for the certifications. So after getting all the information through Google Forms, Mohammad Almojtaba is going to connect with the SolidWorks certification team, and we'll sort out all the things, and after finalizing each and everything with the SolidWorks certification team, he will be going to announce the date and time for the certification exam on its LinkedIn profile, and he will also share that in the Sennar Solidworks user group meetup. And other than this, he may also contact everyone through the email to inform them about the certification exam status. And what was discussed in the meeting is that there will be a minimum time of 2 weeks for us to give the exam. Again, this is a tentative timeline. All things will be finalized after having a meeting with the SolidWorks certification team, and that will be going to held between Sennar Solidworks user group leader Mohammad Almojtaba and the SolidWorks certification team. And once everything will be finalized, everything will be on social media, especially on LinkedIn and especially on Mohammad Almojtaba LinkedIn profile. Stay tuned with the official Sennar user group network LinkedIn page and the official profile of Mohammad Almojtaba as well. I will also be sharing the information on my WhatsApp channel and also on my LinkedIn as well. And by then we all are waiting for announcement from Mohammad Almojtaba. I would recommend you to prepare yourself for all the certifications that you have shown your interest in the Google form, and I will be going to share some preparation materials on my LinkedIn page and on my WhatsApp channel. So make sure to follow me on my social media network and my YouTube channel, and most importantly my WhatsApp channel. So this is all for today's video, and best of luck for all the certifications coming ahead, and till the next video, take care and Allah Hafiz.